Right, we got a new exercism going here. I'm doing this pattern, runner. And this way I can still export this function. Actually, if it's not importing anything, let's not do that. Let's just kill the export and run this. I wish you could export and run it. It's fine. Because I want to use NodeMon. That's what I'm trying to say. Gigasecond.js. NodeMon not found. What? I guess you can npx it. Is there an npx for Yarn? I don't know. What are we doing? Gigasecond. Given a moment, determine the moment that would be after a gigasecond has passed. A gigasecond is 10 to the 9 is a billion? 100,000 million billion. A billion seconds. A gigasecond is a billion seconds. Oh, I was thinking it would be like a nanosecond where it's like really, really tiny. It's actually really, really big. Given a moment, determine the moment that would be after a giga. I don't understand this. It is possible to return a correct value for this exercise by mutating the solution function argument. Although there are legitimate use cases for mutating function arguments, this is usually undesirable. Why is that? Probably because that could cause side effects. Somebody's passing something in, but they don't expect that thing to change. If it's a what do you call it? Int, bool, whatever. Primitive. Primitive? No, that's a big thing. What do you call it? I don't know what you call that, but if it's not an object or a function or array, which arrays are just objects, then it automatically makes a copy because you can't have two of the same thing. But if it's an object, it does pass the same reference to the object, but you can change the underlying data because that reference is just a pointer to other references, which obviously can be changed anywhere in a program. In the case of this exercise, clearly unexpected. Oh, okay. All right, so they're saying don't mutate. For this reason, the test suite has failed if it's been modified. Fine. I mean, it's easy to make a copy of it, like at the beginning. Setup, go through instructions, blah, 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 blah. I don't understand the problem. So do I, okay. Oh, I gotta look at the tests. What's this? What's this? Type error. Are we doing TypeScript here? We don't have TypeScript going here. Get out of here, TypeScript. Can I turn TypeScript off? Can't really turn TypeScript off. Okay, tells the gigasecond anniversary since midnight. Oh gosh. Is this how you make a new date? New date, date.utc. It's midnight. This is going to be midnight? Expected date equals date.parse. I mean, isn't this the solution then? Oh no, okay, so this is just hard coding the answer. 2043 1 T01. What is this format? 46 40Z. I don't know, man. Do you just add? Can you just? Is this in? Oh, I see the problem. I think I see the problem. If this is in the date is in milliseconds, right? Milliseconds since beginning of time, whatever. A gigasecond is a lot of milliseconds. So big, in fact, that we probably can't store it in a regular thing. And so if we just add, we're gonna get some errors or overflows or some weird thing. So let's try it. Date. Date copy equals. Wait, how do you make a copy of a date? Date? Date copy. Hold on, gotta let the dog in. Letting the dog in. Okay. Did we node one here? I'll call it with the first value. Okay. Interesting. So then, oh gosh, hold on. Dog is eating my note card. What the heck? Weird. Okay. So we have this weird format thing. Gonna have to look up date functions. Gotta be honest. Ye old MDN date. Data now, data parse, date format. Now parse etc, get date, get minutes, get hours, get seconds. So I could get seconds, add to that, and then create a date. Holy cow, so many date strings, value of. Let's see. Add seconds to date. It's gonna be Stack Overflow, isn't it? Yeah. Blah. Set seconds. Really? Ah. Second, set seconds, get seconds. Easy as pie. Okay, console equals new date. Const data get seconds. So this is a date object, right? New date, data ECC, blah blah blah. Okay, and then result.set seconds. Console log results. And boom. Things. Items. Why is it different? Oh. That's just getting the second. I need the whole date in seconds. I thought date just was like a number of milliseconds since a certain time. No? Date.now returns the numeric value corresponding to the current time, the number of milliseconds elapsed since blah. Data parse represents a date and returns the number of milliseconds since blah. So there we go. Date.parse. Give me milliseconds. This is what I'm trying to do. Date.parse date. Date.parse date. Console log this. Kill this. What do we got? There it is. Okay, so then milliseconds is a hundredth of a second? Tenth of a second? What is a millisecond? Hundredth of a second. Thousandth of a second? I think it's a hundredth of a second, right? Oh, what is that? Tenth, hundredth. Oh, it's thousandth. Okay. Divide by. Gosh, how did I not know that? My brain is not working this morning. Okay, so divide by 1,000. Blah, blah, blah. Seconds. Divide by 1,000. Add. Equals. Love these underscores. That's a cool thing you can do. New date. And I think value, where value is integer representing the number of something. Yeah, baby. Okay. Actually, this is not going to work because I think these numbers are too big. I think these numbers are too damn big. Bump, 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 bump. Set seconds. That was a dumb way to go. I forgot what set and get does. All right. 43. 146. That just friggin' worked. 4.o.o.z. I assume these are gonna be like the same. I don't know. Maybe this is easy and that's it. Let's make it a thing. Maybe we don't even need NodeMon here. Export, get that back. We can run some tests. Date. This is just going here. This, oh, it looks very much similar to his. This is what we're returning. This is a constant value that we're only using once. I mean, I guess I had to look up some stuff, so I guess yarn test. We got one. Did we get all of them? What did we not account for? Tells another anniversary since midnight. Tells the anniversary including time. What did they do here? UTC 242200. Well, I hope I accounted for that, but I might not have. I don't know enough about how dates work. I'm gonna need to do a little research here. Nope, worked like a charm. This is interesting though. Making a date, I guess this is how you do it. You can make a date and you can pass the time optionally. So it'd be year, day, no, year, month, day. Month 0 is January. Months are 0 based. Years are years 0 based. I don't know. Time, hours, minutes, seconds. Maybe you can even do milliseconds. Let's look at that UTC. UTC. What is UTC? Universal time. Wait, what? Coordinated universal time. So universal time coordinated. Why did they mix up the thing? Okay, whatever. Coordinated. It's coordinated. Method accepts similar to date constructor, but treats them as coordinated. It returns the number of seconds. Blah. Wait, I don't understand what coordinated means. Coordinated. C o'clock with the accurate time. Blah 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 blah. Doesn't it? GMT is based for local times. Universal coordinated time. That doesn't help me. Give me the Wikipedia. The Wikipedia. The primary time standard for which the world regulates clocks and time is about 1 second of mean solar time at 0 degrees longitude and not adjusted for daylight savings time. It is effectively a successor to GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so, oh my god, the time zone map is so crazy. Holy cow. What time is it? Nobody knows. I know India from going there. It's in its own time zone. It's the only, the whole country's on the same time zone. Kind of neat. Some of this, oh yeah, but then some of these states do whatchamacallit, daylight savings time, and some don't. Oh gosh, it's, look at Ireland. Ireland, what are you doing over here? Or sorry, Iceland. That's not Ireland. Iceland. That's crazy. And what is this? They have their own? That's 0. Oh, that's 0 too. Everybody wants to be on this one, huh? Which would be GMT. Wait, France and Spain are in a different time zone? They're on a +1? Wow. Okay, whatever. This is fascinating. We did the exercise. Cool. See you tomorrow.